Hello first graders, welcome to a new math lesson. Please get your paper ready, page 195, 5-9. Word problems with 3 add-ins. You have learned addition strategies to help you add 3 numbers, right? We use the doubles, change the order of the add-ins, and group 2 numbers to make 10. Today we're gonna use the same strategies in a story problems. That means we have words, we need to understand the sentence, and then we need to put our numbers on the right place. I'm gonna read you the example we have, and we're gonna work together. So number 1, Jack and his friends collect keychains. Jack has 4 keychains in his backpack. So these are the 3 backpacks for Jack and his friends. So Jack has 4 keychains in his backpack. So we're gonna have 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Drawing 4 keychains. That's for Jack. Okay. One of his friends has 2. So this is the second friend, and he has 2 keychains. And then the third friend has 8 keychains. So this is your backpack. Then you can draw anything you like. So I need to add 8 for the last friend. And then I'm gonna add 2 more here. Okay, so now 4 and 2 and 8. So Jack has 4. So these are the numbers. So I'm gonna write them down here. 4, and then one friend has 2, and the third friend has 8. Okay, now I need to add my 3 numbers, and I can use any strategy I understand and I used before. So I can group them to make 10, I can have doubles, or I can use a different add-in, doesn't matter which order. So I see 4 plus 2 plus 8, I see 2 numbers that can make 10 for me. So I'm gonna circle 2 and 8 because I know 2 plus 8 equals 10, right? So here I'm gonna put 10. 10 plus 4, very good, equals 14. So I used my strategy to have 10, so I can easily make add the third number and have my answer 14. All right, so this is your sum, this is your total. Now I need to do a different way, add 2 different numbers, then add the third, and my answer or sum should be still 14. So if I took the last 2 numbers, second and last, I'm gonna use maybe 4 and 2. So I'm gonna write my numbers again, and this time I'm gonna use different 2 numbers. So I'm gonna add 2 and 4 together. So 2 plus 4 equals, I'm gonna put it in a box here because I don't want to forget, 6. 6 plus 8, I know 6 plus 6 is 12, and then 6 is less than 8, 2, so 12 plus 2, 14. Awesome. So now my answer is right. See, I took different, I used 2 different add-ins in a different orders, but my answer or sum should be the same. All right. Now, another question or another numbers. So Jack, let's erase this one. That's why I use pencil, that I know that we have another question and we need to use the backpack. All right. Now, Jack and his friends collect keychains. Now they have different numbers. Jack has 5 keychains. So I'm gonna make 5 keychains with Jack. So first thing is 5. Okay. One of his friends had 3. So the third friend has 2. So these my numbers. 5. So 5 keychains in one backpack. Second friend has 3 and the third friend has 2. So now my addition, 5 plus 3 plus 2. Now I need to add, use any way I like to. Any two add-ins, I can add them together. I like to make 10. So I can make 10 here. So I can make double. I'm gonna use 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 10. I'm sorry, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And then I have 5, so double 5 is 10. Very good. Now put the numbers again down and I add together two different numbers. I'm gonna add 2 and 5. So I'm gonna circle 2 and 5. I know 5 plus 2 or 2 plus 5 equals 10, equals 7. Equals 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Because I know the answer 10, I keep thinking 10. So I choose 3 plus 2 to make 5, and now I have doubles, and I know double 5 is 10. And then I chose two different numbers, 5 plus 2. I know 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus 3, it's easy for me to add 10. So my two answers are the same. So that's mean I added right, because it should be the same sum, the same result. Regardless, no matter which order of your addend, which two number you add together, then you add the third, your answer, it has to be always the same. Okay, let's read the examples and then do the guided practice. This is not different than the previous lesson, it's just that this is with the story. So we need to read and put our numbers online and use the plus and add them together. Okay, Vince collects red rocks. He separates them into 3 baskets. How many red rocks does he have in all? So I count how many in each basket. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first basket has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rocks in the second basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rocks in the third basket. So these are the addend or the numbers that I need to add. So 5 plus 4 plus 6. And it's written for you here. So I can add 5 plus 4 because I know 5 plus 4 equals 9. Then I can add the 6. So that's why it's written for you red, because this is the first two choice. This first two number, 5 plus 4. So explaining here, 5 plus 4 equals 9. Then add the other number, which is 6. Don't forget always the third number. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. All right. Or I have another way. Same numbers again. 5 plus 4 plus 6. But in this case, or for this example, Vince will add 4 plus 6. So this is the two numbers are read for you. This is the two numbers that Vince will add them first. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. So now you can add the third number, 10 plus 5, 15. So do you see here, when we add 5 plus 4, the first two add-in, then we add the third, our sum or total or answer were 15. And over here, when we add different numbers, second and last, and then we add the first, so we use the numbers in a different order, but still you have the same answer, 15. So this is conclusion. This is what we came up with. So when saying I can group the numbers either way, but the sum is the same. So when we add Vince add 5 plus 4 plus 6, or 5 or 4 plus 6 plus 5, both way your answer were the same. So 5 plus 4 was 9, 9 plus 6 equal 15, Or 4 plus 6 equals 10, 10 plus 5, your answer is 15. So let's do the practice. Write a number sentence. Choose a way to group the addends. So it's up to you now. Which way you think it's easy. So you can add the first two or the last two or the first and the last. All right. Tess collects shells. She has 7 pink shells. This is the first number, 7. 3 black shells. Second number, 3. And 4 white shells. And the third number is 4. So now we need to add this. So it's up to you. You can say 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Or 4 plus 3 equals 7. So 7 plus 7 double equals 14. So no matter which two numbers you add them first, then you add the third, the answer still the same. All right, number 2. Tom sees some birds. He sees 4 red birds, 9 blue birds, and 6 black birds. How many birds does Tom see in all? So let's read it again. Tom sees some birds. He sees 4 red birds. So I'm gonna write first 4 red birds. Then 9 blue birds. I'm gonna add 9. And then 6 blue birds. I'm gonna 6 black birds. So I'm gonna add 6. So now I have 3 numbers. I need to add them. Well, it's up to you which two number you want to choose first. Oh, I see a way to make 10. So I'm gonna circle 4 and 6. I'm gonna add 4 and 6 first. I know 4 and 6 equals 10. 10 plus 9. It's easy for me to add when I have 10. 10 plus 9 equals 19. So there are 19 birds in all. All right. Do you understand? Do you understand how can grouping numbers in a different way help you solve a problem? Yes. Exactly what we say. When you add them in a different order, if 2 of them can make the sum easy for you, like if you can reach the double if you make doubles, or you can make 10 and add the third number. So that's exactly the ways we use them because it's going to be easy for me to add them. So we need to write this. So what I'm going to say, I say I can add. When you group them in a different way or different order, how this help you? A different way help you to solve your problem. So what we're going to do, you're going to say, I can add in a different order if 2 of these numbers, for example, give you 10. So, or doubles. So if 2 of the numbers make the sum easy to add, because we can use the making 10 then add the third number, or the strategy for doubles. All right, page 197, number 3. Write a number sentence. Choose a way to group the addends. So now we have to read, put our numbers, and then choose your way how you want to add, which 2 numbers you want to add them first. Pat collects leaves. He has 8 brown leaves, 2 red leaves, and 3 yellow leaves. How many leaves does Pat have in all? So I have 3 numbers. I need to add them. So let's read again. Pat collects leaves. He has 8 brown leaves, so add 8 first. Then 2 red leaves, 2, and 3 yellow leaves, 3. Different colors, but at the end I'm adding all leaves. How many leaves does Pat have in all? So now I have 3 addends, 3 numbers, and I need to add them together. So I can choose any 2 numbers that make my sum or my question easy. So I know that 2 plus 8 equals, very good, 10. So I'm gonna choose 2 and 8 because I know 2 plus 8 equals 10. I'm gonna write here 10 just for myself. Don't wanna forget the number. 10 plus 3, 13. So how many leaves? In all, 13 leaves. All right. Number 4, Bo plants seeds. He plants 6 brown seeds, 4 white seeds, and 8 black seeds. How many seeds does he plant in all? Same thing. You have 3 numbers. You put them down and choose the right strategy or easier strategy for you. So he plants 6. I'm gonna put 6. And then 6 brown seeds, then 4 white seeds. I'm gonna add 4, and then 8 black seeds. So I need to add 6 plus 4 plus 8. I like that. 10, make 10. So I'm gonna make 10 using 6 plus 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then 10 plus 8 equals 18. So there are 18 seeds in all. Okay. Algebra. Write the missing number. 16 equals 7 plus number plus 6. So this is your sum. You can put it first or you can put it at the end. This is exactly like if I put this one over here. I say 18 equals 6 plus 4 plus 8, or 6 plus 4 plus 8 equals 18. So I need to add 3 numbers and my answer should be 16. So I have 2 numbers. I have 7 and 6. So let's add 7 plus 6. And I know the double 6, 12 plus 1, right? If I take here 6, so 6 plus 6, double 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 7 plus 6, 13. I need 16. So I need how many to reach 16? 13. How many I need to add to 13 to make 16? 14, 15, 16. 3. So 7 plus 3 plus 6 equals 16. I want to make sure that I have the right answer. So let's add my 3 numbers. If it gives me 16, so my choice was right. So let's see. 7 plus 3 plus 6. 7 plus 3 makes 10. 10 plus 6 equals 16. So my answer is right. All right. Number 6. 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals 2 plus 2 plus what? This is really nice. So, and simple. All what you do, we need to add this number here and put my sum here, and I have to add 3 numbers together to give me the same sum. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Or you want to choose these 2 numbers, so 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 4, that's double. Answer would be 8. So over here, 8. Okay, now I need to add 3 numbers here and my answer should be 8. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus what give you 8? Double 4. Excellent. So my missing number is 4. Now when I add 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4, I should have 8. So 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals 8, and 2 plus 2 plus 4, sum or the answer is 8. All right, page 198. Number 7. Then through 3 bean bags at the target. The numbers on the target show the score for each bean bag. Write an additional sentence to find Dan's score. So he threw 3 times, right? So he has here, that's 7, and then 5, twice because I have the target, I have the blue circle 3, the white circle 5, and the red circle 7. So how many times he scored in the red? 1 time, so 7. Then for the white circle number 5, how many times he target this circle? 2 times. That's mean 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. That's so easy. 5 plus 5, that's double 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 here because I don't want to forget my numbers. 10 plus 7, 17. Awesome. All right. Let's see number 8. Mila threw 3 bean bags at the target. So the target, she threw 3 bean bags. So 3 times, 3 numbers I'm looking for. She scored 15. Total was 15 points. So the answer, if I add what she scored, should be 15. Which picture could show her target? Picture that when I add her score, it should be 15. All right, so I have here on a blue circle, she scored 1, which is 3, and then on a white circle, which is 5, she scored twice, so 3 plus 5 plus 5. Let me put it on the white part so you can see. So over here, 3 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 3, 13. She scored 15, so this is not the right choice. So A is not the right choice. Let's go for B. I see she scored 7 1 time, and she scored 2 times 3 because I see 2 bean bags on 3 and 1 on 7. So let me put this number 7 plus 3 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Not because I need 15 points. Here 13, here 13. So A and B is not the right choice. Let's see the third choice. I have the target. I see that she did not score on a blue part 3. She did not score on a 7 part 7. She scored 3 times 5. So I need to add these numbers. 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5, double 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. That's her score. So C is my right choice. I don't need to do D because I found my right answer. All right? All right. Over here, make up a story problem about collections. Write your story to fit this addition sentence. Same like when we were talking about the collection. Remember when we say Jack collected keychains? So he collected, the first time we said 4, then after that his friend collect 2, and then the third friend collects 8. Or like the second choice when we say Jack collected 5 keychains, his second friend collect 3, and the last friend or the third friend collect 2. So over here the same, but you need to use this number. 4 and 1 and 9. So you can do any story problem using whatever you like, put your names and your friend's name. You're collecting stamps or coins or stickers, and one should have 4, one should collect 1, and one should collect 9. So these are the numbers or the add-ins that you are using them. Okay, so we learned today how to use add 3 add-ins by understanding and reading the word problems. So it's not different than the previous lesson. It's just that you need to read the problems of the story and then get your 3 add-ins. And the choice is yours. You can put them in different orders. You can make it easy by add 2 numbers and make 10, or you can use the double strategies. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.